I often have meetings with stakeholders to gather information for resolving issues, but sometimes I find myself wondering if we've covered the same ground before, or I feel uneasy about our lack of progress. How can you advise conducting these meetings more effectively and ensuring problems are solved more efficiently?
In the process of solving problems or developing new systems, it's good to actively seek out stakeholders for interviews and gather information with agility. However, if you only listen and vaguely understand without going further, you'll end up in a half-baked state, preventing your work from progressing. To properly understand the information, it's crucial to put it down on paper. Of course, it doesn't have to be on actual paper. Files are fine too.
How does writing things down on paper help with problem solving?
Just listening to various people and assuming you understand it all in your head is very risky. Thinking that it's okay to only document it when it's time to report to someone is too late. By starting to document what you've understood as you collect information, you first verify whether you truly comprehend it. Then, continue gathering and organizing information until you fully grasp it. This is important.
I see. How would you proceed with solving problems by putting things down on paper?
After each interview, first organize and document what you've learned. Then, with that documentation in hand, interview again to verify your understanding. Ask any additional questions needed, and then make further additions or corrections to the document. Once that's done, share the document with all stakeholders and make further supplements or corrections based on their feedback.
That makes sense.
By developing the document in this way, you enhance your understanding and advance your work. Avoiding this effort and trying to process everything in your head is tough unless you're a super genius.
Thanks for the tips. I'm definitely going to try putting things down on paper from now on.
You're welcome. Remember, taking the time to write things down on paper may seem like a small step, but it can make a big difference in understanding and solving the problem. I believe that it's precisely this kind of diligent work that creates value.